Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll tell you how to run YouTube ads for dropshipping. It's very easy to do. First go to Google Ads and create an account. Then link your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account for seamless ad management. Then in Google Ads, click create campaign, select sales as your campaign goal, choose video as your campaign type since we are running YouTube ads. Target your ideal customer based on demographics, age, gender or location. Then interest, fashion, gadget and fitness. Custom intent keywords, people are searching related to your products. Then make an engaging eye-catching video, show your product in action. Focus on the benefit, how does your product solve a problem. Then add a clear call to action like shop now, limited time offer, etc. Then if you want to collect emails or phone numbers, add a lead from extension to your video ads. This will allow potential customer to submit their details directly through the ad. Then set a daily or lifetime budget. Start small and scale as needed. Choose your bidding strategy. Maximize conversions if you want more sales. CPM for broader awareness. Double check everything, targeting ad budget, and once you are ready, launch your campaign and watch your dropshipping business grow. And that's how you can run YouTube ads for dropshipping.